Welcome back to Motor Masters, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 DAF XF, a powerhouse of engineering designed for the modern road warrior. The 2025 DAF XF continues to build on its legacy as a top-tier long-haul truck, combining comfort, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology. This latest model is part of DAF's new generation lineup, designed with maximum uptime, improved aerodynamics, and driver satisfaction in mind. At the heart of the XF 2025 is a range of advanced PACCAR MX-13 and MX-13 engines, tuned for higher efficiency and lower CO2 emissions. These engines not only provide impressive torque and power delivery but also support enhanced fuel economy, making it a perfect fit for fleet owners looking to cut operational costs. The cab design has also seen a major overhaul. The 2025 XF features a larger, more spacious interior with improved visibility and superior ergonomics. With a lower beltline and expansive windscreen, the driver enjoys a commanding view of the road. The cab is available in multiple configurations, including the Super Space Cab, which offers best-in-class living comfort with ample storage, high-quality materials, and advanced climate control systems. DAF has packed the XF with smart tech. It comes equipped with a fully digital dashboard, advanced driver assistance systems ADAS, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking systems to ensure maximum safety. The latest version of the DAF Connect fleet management platform also comes standard, providing real-time insights into truck performance, fuel consumption, and maintenance schedules. In terms of aerodynamics, the 2025 XF showcases a sleeker front profile, tighter panel gaps, and optimized airflow around the cab and chassis. This contributes to up to 10% better fuel efficiency compared to the previous generation. Plus, with a longer cab and repositioned A-pillars, wind resistance is drastically reduced, another step toward sustainability without compromising power. Drivers will appreciate the quieter, smoother ride, thanks to refined suspension and acoustic insulation. Whether it's short delivery runs or cross-continental hauls, the XF is engineered to minimize fatigue and maximize comfort. Overall, the 2025 DAF XF is more than just a truck, it's a smart investment in performance, efficiency, and driver satisfaction. With futuristic styling, robust engineering, and intelligent features, it's clear that DAF is setting a new benchmark in the trucking industry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Masters for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest vehicles redefining the roads.